And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to export a video with a transparent background. Let us use this clip once more. So it's the button subscribe animation. At first we obviously want to get rid of the green background. If you want to know more details about that, just watch my last video on that. In this video I want to focus on how we can transport it after we've gotten rid of the background. So I'll just type in key in the effects menu and drag and drop it. For the Ultra key, I use the eyedropper tool to select the background. And it's gone. Don't get confused, by default, transparent background is black in Premiere Pro in this preview window, but it is transparent. And if I want to export it like this, I just press Ctrl M. And now under format, pick QuickTime. And under preset, you want to pick this one. It's the GoPro Cineform, but it's the one that has the maximum bit depth. Make sure you've got the entire clip selected. So you may want to reposition your sliders right here, and then click on the output name to select your folder and type in a name for it. And this method should work for basically all videos. We need to click on export as well. I'll speed this video up a little bit. But after we've exported it, we can simply drag and drop it into our projects menu. I've called it transparent 2. So let me put that right here. And then we can put it in timeline. And you can see it's transparent. So it has this typical black background for Premiere Pro. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.